2 minutes after Doc's fish. To get that on drift fishing?
Yeah,
big eggies? Might have to switch to eggs. Eggs are, they like the eggs now. Ooh. That make it worse? That'd be better.
I mean, when we come right in behind them and hook the fish?
Let's see if I can't clean that.
What? Fish are 10 feet off the beach.
Little brat, I think.
Like it? Looks like another dinner fish. Right here, Scott. Yep, it is a dinner fish. I'll try.
There's the bucks you were wondering about.
Yeah, little one.
Now if you were a stud, Doc, you'd stick that camera in the water.
Oh, haxie fish must die.
Yep. Let's see him.
Hey. Oh, okay.
Look at that death shiver.
Look at that. Nice floss jaw.